Are you looking to maximize your corner space with style and functionality? Well, look no further. This corner shelf is the perfect solution for any room in your home. A quick disclaimer here: I received this shelf free to try. Assembly is straightforward thanks to the shelf's simple structure, detailed instructions, and included tools. You can easily set it up by yourself. And all necessary tools are included, so you won't need to search for additional equipment. With an urban industrial design, this corner shelf combines rustic brown and black tones, blending classical and modern furniture styles. The versatile design effortlessly integrates into any decor, adding a calm and fresh vibe to the room. Featuring 5 tiers, this corner shelf offers ample storage capacity. It includes 4 open shelves for displaying items and one adjustable shelf inside the cabinet, allowing flexible storage and arrangement. From books and photo frames to decorations and potted plants, it accommodates various household items. This corner shelf serves multiple functions, working as a bookshelf, display stand, storage unit, or plant holder in various rooms such as the living room, bedroom, kitchen, hallway, balcony, or bathroom. Its 90 degrees right angle design optimizes corner space usage, converting unused corners into practical storage areas.